Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. I just received the Barbusters handlebar protectors for my Africa Twin adventure sport. I will install it now and really hope it's not too much. I mean, the color I choose, I hope it's gonna fit with the rest of my bike. Yeah, so let's unbox this and see how it looks like. I don't even remember where I ordered this from. I guess it was from some Germany, a company from Germany. Yeah, I think I wait for 10 days or something. Oh. This is what I mean. I choose the blue color, and reason for that is simply this. Let me show you. So the original was white, and I only have one left with a big hole in here. The other side is missing. So yeah, I'm gonna try to install this. It's freaking cold still here in Sweden. It's still snow, but yeah, I don't have any warm garage. Well, you'll see. When you work, you warm up. Let's see what we got. So we got the plastic pieces. That's okay package, some protection, and this is not fragile pieces, so should be good. They look big and it's really needed because the bike is a DCT without clutch. Nice. So let me unpack this and see what to do next. Okay, here is what you get in the package. Of course, protectors, handlebars and fasteners. The weights, I already put the washers inside with these longer bolts. The shorter bolts we're gonna use here, basically. These two are gonna replace the old weights, yeah, we're gonna fit the weights in. Specific for DCT version is this bracket, the longer bolt and washer. I'm gonna come to that later. Of course, we have plastic over there. The tools you're gonna need, probably you're gonna be fine with these. 70mm to 10mm. I use these bites, 5 and 4. The ratchet with 10mm socket, I have 10mm and 8mm for the right side. Alright. I received these, which is good because the old one doesn't look so good anymore. So it's nice, it's good. Progress. Alright, yeah, we're gonna remove this bracket here. and I'm gonna actually cut off around here and keep this tiny plastic piece in place, discard the rest. And that's basically because yeah, it looks a bit ugly because there is a distance, so the bolt doesn't get down all the way, but mostly to prevent some water to get into the bolt and get rusty. So let's remove it. Okay, so let's remove this bolt. Yeah, you need to be careful when you're removing this bolt because there is a spring, of course, underneath, and you don't want that spring to jump out. It's gonna be a mess for you to get it back. So just hold tight. Remove this one. Almost there. Don't do it like this. Alright, so this is probably the trickiest part with the DCT version. This bracket. So you need the bracket, you need the nut. There is no washer. I didn't get any. And yeah, so you put the bracket like this and then tighten the nut. Right? Nice. Yeah, you have to make sure that the switch is pressed. Nice. All right. So yeah, let's install this one first. One like this. Washer. Now I need to release this one a bit. We don't need to remove completely, just release a bit to make room for this one to get around. Okay, I will actually keep it like this until I am out and dry. Then I'm gonna see which side feels better. If I'm gonna put this one up, the right side, or left side, put it down. So for now I'm gonna keep it like this. The blue is not really the blue as I have on the rest of the bike. Protectors, I think they cost 35 euros or something, so you can always order another color. So all right, so that's it. It's really not that difficult. Yeah, a bit tricky with this bracket here, but yeah, all good. Nice. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope this will help you if you're gonna do the same thing. Yeah, because it's a bit different to compared to the manual transmission. Yeah, again, if you like this video, please like, please subscribe. I don't know how much content I'm gonna upload, depending on my wife and the rest of the family, but I really want to do more videos and share with you in the future. So yeah, thank you.